How to make Reddit account private. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Reddit does not offer a feature to make individual user accounts completely private. However, you can enhance your privacy by adjusting certain settings and adopting specific practices. Firstly, go ahead and open Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further, tap on the settings option you see there. Now, under the account settings tab, you will see your username. Tap on your username and scroll down to the privacy tab. Further, go ahead and toggle off the Show Up in Search Results toggle button. Also, on the Reddit mobile app again, tap on your profile icon from the top right of your screen and then select the drop-down menu next to your username and choose Anonymous Browsing. This allows you to browse without associating activity with your account. Note that you cannot vote, comment, or post while you are in this mode. So this is how you can make private Reddit account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.